I mean, you can't really tell me that this is not my hair. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got this super cute, fun, spring summer look in less than 2 minutes. You heard me right, less than 10 minutes, less than 2 minutes with this drawstring ponytail. Yes, this is a drawstring ponytail with bang. And I've added this little headband on it, which I think is super cute. So many different ways that you can jazz up this drawstring ponytail. We're gonna get into the deets in a minute, but this drawstring ponytail is from Vigorous. This can be ordered online at Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. This is giving. This is giving quick, easy, protective style. Let me show you how I got this look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you would try this drawstring ponytail. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like, I feel like I need like 4 or 5 of them. Also need some in different colors because this, she's giving. She's giving. And to do this in less than 2 minutes, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box and get yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.